Hey, it's Mali from ZapDigits. We are going to connect Google Sheets to ZapDigits. And we have this feature called datasets. Basically, you can import chunk of data. You can just click on the datasets and click Google Sheets on the right. And first thing is select Google Sheets. You click connect. I'm gonna click allow. And once you connected, you can either go data source and see if it's really connected. And here it says connected. Then I will go back to the datasets and give a dataset a name. I will say calls, and I have one example sheet here, and I need to copy this ID. So it's after d/, and I copy this part and go back and paste this ID. And the range you can customize it, or you can just remove it and click import. It's successfully imported, and what you can do is click on the action open button, and here you can see all the data that imported from your Google Sheets. And what you can do from here, you can of course edit any data you want here or delete, and you can add rows and columns, or you can modify and download as a CSV. And you can also search, for example, Alice. Search for Alice, and there are a few rows. If you want to figure out how many total calls Alice had, then what you can do on the right side, you can select the chart type, whatever chart type you like. Here you can see all the data sets now. Now I'm gonna select total calls, total sum of, I'm gonna filter by the column name, and I'm gonna search for Alice. And you can see, if you calculate all of these, it should be 907 calls. So what you can do now is you can click add to dashboard, and you can select the dashboard. We have only one dashboard, and add it. Go back to the dashboard. You should see the calls dataset. And you can also do further customizations by clicking here, and you can click settings, and you can change this dataset to names calls by Alice, and this number is updated, the text is updated here. Now you can also set a goal. For example, if the goal is 1000 calls, 1000, you can do this, and you can save the goal. And if you go back, now you can see how much of reached from the goal.